and welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngegenesis, guys. Yo kuleli viki ezoqala i-album ke kaMaruna izophela, guys, and Maruna is so convinced ukuthi uBonko uyamthanda or umfuna back. There might be an elephant in the room because I feel like Bonko akaka move on from uMaruna, but at the same time akafuni anything ezomhlanganisa ke noMaruna. On the other side, uMaruna, guys, as much as she is back for the album, but into ayifuna kakhulu ukuba ke noBonko, which I'm so scared for her ukuthi uBonko might use her kodwa ke kube ukuthi ke i-relationship yabo ke ayiphumeleli. Guys, uMaruna will be praying leli viki ezoqala ke esho ukuthi ke uyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu umbuyisele iGenesis because ufuna ukuthi ke i-relationship yakhe noBonko ukuthi ke isebenze, of which it knows something that is going to happen. I think uBonko must be disappointed by uLwethu before he can realize ukuthi ke uMaruna ukhona and uMaruna ke usamthanda. I still have a hope, guys, for the relationship, but I don't know ukuthi ke iyokwenzeka nini ke bakithi, but I still have a big hope ukuthi there might be something kosam eyenzekalayo between the two. On the other side, guys, Gabriel continue to be a thorn in Genesis Records flesh njengoba bathathele ke uBasetsana, which I think akakaqedi, guys, but I don't think useqedile, usazobayimisa lokwangempela ke. Le guys ke unobuhle ke usaqhubeka ke ufunela ke uIshmael ke ifamily. So yeah, guys, this is what you can expect ke kuleli viki elizoqala le Genesis. Bye.